This is Kevin from Family Credit Repair, and I want to thank you for visiting our website. When you have bad credit, you're forced to pay high interest rates on auto loans, mortgage loans, insurance, and it may even cost you your next job. What can you do about having bad credit? Really, you only have two options. Option 1. You can wait 7 to 10 years for the negative information to fall off your credit naturally. Although this is effective, it isn't exactly ideal for if you're ready to buy a car or house sooner than later. And not just that, but many companies are now doing background checks as well as credit checks for all new applicants, which means bad credit may even cost you your next job. And then there's option 2. This is where you're proactive about fixing and rebuilding your credit. This is exactly what we do here at Family Credit Repair. We will remove negative and derogatory items from your credit files, and we will also help you build new positive lines of credit, which will drastically increase your score. With Family Credit Repair, you're no longer in this alone. We're here to help. Call us today.